Gardening with Soule in the land of El Sol. This Euphorbia milli is related to Euphorbia pulcheremia, more commonly known as the poinsettia. Now, the poinsettias are very hard to, well, you can get them to survive, but it's very hard to get them to rebloom for the holidays, and that's a whole nother issue. But euphorbias are wonderful plants. They all have laticifers in them. Excuse me. Laticifers comes from the word for latex. They have sap, which is clear, but they have a latex, which is milky. And this milky latex contains compounds that can be very irritating. Depends on the species. Some species of euphorbia are incredibly irritating, and they'll give you almost a chemical burn. Poinsettia, not so much. It's a very mild latex, and basically it's incredibly bitter. And my cat bit one poinsettia once and said, "I'm not going there." So everybody goes, "Oh my God, the poinsettias, they're poisonous." And they're not. They're distasteful. And if your animal is silly enough to eat a lot of it, it can be damaging. It's more like they might get it for cats. They're self-groomers. They might get it on their fur, the latex on their fur. And then when they groom that off, it can cause intestinal irritation. So you do want to make sure that your poinsettias are out of reach of pets. Not because it's going to kill them, but because it can make them sick. So, thanks for watching Gardening with Soule.